In this video, I will show you how to quickly link your GitHub account to Claude using the Model Context Protocol. This integration is a game changer for developers because it allows Claude to interact directly with your repositories, making coding assistance much more efficient. To get started, open your Claude interface and navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once the Settings window pops up, look for the section labeled Connectors. This is where Claude manages all of its external integrations and power-ups. In the search bar within the Connectors tab, simply type GitHub to find the official extension. Once it appears, click on the Connect button to initiate the process. A new window will open asking you to log into your GitHub account if you are not already signed in. After logging in, you will see a request to authorize the Anthropic Claude application. This step is crucial because it gives the AI permission to view your code and understand the structure of your projects. Carefully review the permissions and then click the green Authorize button to confirm. After a quick redirect, you will see that GitHub is now active in your list of connectors. You can now prompt Claude to read specific files or explain complex logic right from your repositories. It really streamlines the workflow by removing the need to copy and paste large blocks of code manually. Thank you for watching this quick guide, and I hope this helps you build faster with Claude.